If you're considering buying Homestyler, here are 7 essential things you need to know before taking the plunge. This platform offers one of the best home design experiences available, but you'll want to be aware of a few key details before committing. First off, you need to understand that Homestyler is a powerful tool, but it's not just for professionals. Whether you're a beginner looking to redesign a room or an experienced interior designer, Homestyler offers both simplicity and advanced features. It allows you to create 3D models of your space and visualize your design ideas in real time, which sets it apart from competitors like SketchUp or AutoCAD, which tend to be more complex and less user-friendly for beginners. Next, while the platform is accessible to all skill levels, it does come with its own learning curve. It's easy to start, but if you want to unlock its full potential, you'll need to spend a little time getting familiar with the layout and the various tools. That being said, the tutorials and customer support are pretty solid, and you won't feel completely lost navigating it. The third thing to know is that Homestyler offers both free and paid versions. The free version is excellent for basic users who want to play around with a few design ideas, but if you're serious about redesigning spaces and want access to all the features, the paid version is where it's at. The premium subscription unlocks more advanced features like higher quality renders and the ability to use materials and furniture from actual brands. Compared to some competitors like Roomstyler, Homestyler offers a bit more flexibility in terms of design complexity at a reasonable price point. The fourth thing you should be aware of is that Homestyler allows for 3D modeling, but the rendering process can sometimes take longer than you'd expect. If you want high quality renders, be prepared for a bit of a wait. However, the results are usually worth it. Unlike some other design tools, Homestyler provides fairly realistic renderings without needing super high-end hardware. Now, let's talk about compatibility. Homestyler works directly in your browser, meaning you don't need to download any bulky software, which is great for those who prefer working on the go. It's also compatible with both Mac and Windows, so no matter your setup, you're covered. Some other tools like Autodesk Revit or Rhino require specific software and hardware configurations, which can limit their accessibility. Next, if you're into customization, you'll appreciate Homestyler's extensive library of real-world furniture and decor. The platform allows you to place actual items into your designs, which is a huge plus if you want to visualize exactly how your favorite pieces will look in a given space. Some other design tools may only provide generic items, which can be frustrating when you want to be as accurate as possible with your vision. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the community and marketplace. Homestyler's active community of designers and users makes it easier to find inspiration, share ideas, and even purchase professional design elements. You can get a lot of feedback from others, which can be a huge help in improving your designs. This community-driven approach adds a social layer that some other home design platforms don't have. If you're interested in trying Homestyler, I've got a special deal for you. You can click the first link in the description below to try it out completely free and access the best offer available, including some exclusive benefits. Homestyler is a fantastic tool, but knowing these 7 points can really help you make the most of it. If you're ready to get started, don't wait. Check out the link below for your free trial and explore all the incredible design possibilities.